The reality is that for those looking for a reason to not invest, there will always be one, and in fact, there has been one for 76 of the last 76 years. And I don't, a lot of you know that I wouldn't say I'm a history buff, I just say I'm kind of a history obsessive. I guess it justifies I'm real knowledgeable about it. I aspire to be. But I don't care if we're talking about the German infiltration of Europe from the 36 to 39, the Pearl Harbor in 41, or the actual usage of the Soviets with a hydrogen bomb in 1953, the Korean War in 1951, the Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962, the real-life resignation of a president in political scandal in 1974, I suppose the oil embargo of 73 can be considered a pretty major geopolitical event. I think that as you go back through history, the 70s are a real interesting example because so many of those things really do mirror a lot of what we're dealing with now. The wage and price controls of Richard Nixon in 71, the Russian invasion of Afghanistan in 79. I think you're getting the idea. The Iran-Contra scandal in 86, and then a singular day in October 1987, the stock market went down 22% in one day. The reality is that the 90s, the Persian Gulf War, we talk about 90s as being this robust bull market, and it was. But I spent 97, 98, 99 with people telling me, as sure as could be, they had absolutely no doubt in their conviction that Y2K was going to ruin the world, ruin the economy. And I kind of look back at some of them now, laugh at it, make fun of them and all that. But this was not funny. I mean, it was a very, very serious element. And of course, we know the story there. Second Gulf War, 2003, geopolitical turmoil. As the Ecclesiastes say, there is nothing new under the sun. I think that behaviorally we have to decide what's appropriate for us, what we can handle, what we can deal, and address those things in our plan, and not let our emotions later on derail the plan. I'm not reading all of the quotes that are going up tonight. I want you guys to be able to see those as I talk. I'm going to read this one. Richard Russell is an 86-year-old market analyst down in La Jolla, California. Been writing about the market virtually since the end of the Great Depression, and quite literally full-time as a very renowned national analyst in 1951. And I want to read this to you. It's important to distance yourself from the hysteria of the moment. Hysterical investors can't think straight, and they tend to do the wrong thing. Crowd thinking is akin to not thinking at all. And when you act without thinking, you're very liable to do the wrong thing. Sit tight, think over the situation, and then if you must act calmly, but with conviction.